Okay, this is Carlos of SwimBikeRun.ph. Tapos na naming reviewin itong Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So, tinesting namin to for at least a month kung saan namin dinala. Ginamit namin for training, for saan pa ba? Nung mga events namin, sinuot namin, even for underwater hockey. Syempre, everyday life, sinuot namin, dinala namin kung saan. Syempre, that's the best way to find out kung okay nga ba siya talaga. So, kamusta nga ba tong Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra? Well, to begin with, gaya nga na sinabi namin, itsura pa lang. So, tingnan mo naman, bakal na bakal. So, pakinggan nyo to. Yun, solid. That's because the body is made of titanium. So, kahit ilang laglag siya, saka may parang sinabi siya nung nabasa ko, impact ready cushion design. Well, admittedly, that worked because ilang beses namin siya nalaglag. And thankfully, so far, wala kami nakitang ni isang gasgas. Ilang beses namin ito nalaglag, iniiwan lang namin kasi testing namin. So sa deck ng pool, nalaglag pa to sa kalsada. Ewan ko paano nangyari yun, pero nalaglag. Buti na lang yung glass niya. Wala, smooth pa rin. When it comes to everyday use sa office settings, kung gusto mo ba siyang gamitin pang trabaho, sobrang seamless siya, lalo na kung gumagamit ka rin ng Samsung na phone. So, makikita mo, it's professional enough yung itsura niya pag ginamit mo. Yan, suot mo siya. Professional pa rin. Sobrang pogi pa rin. Hindi nakakahiya gamitin. And syempre, actually, napapatingin pa nga sila, uy, ano yung suot mo? Kasi nga sa strap, tapos ang laki niya. Tapos, syempre, yung notifications, yun yung best part. If you're using a Samsung phone, sobrang seamless lahat. Minsan makikita mo nakaganyan ka lang. Tapos makikita mo na lang, okay, may nag-message pala sa'yo. Para naman sa mga mahilig mag-workout, ito na exciting part. I'm sure gusto nyo malaman how's the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra as a training watch, di ba? So, honestly, nagamit namin to during our weight training sessions. And yun, tumatakbo kami sa treadmill, tapos spin classes. Although hindi namin siya nagamit for a real triathlon race because first and foremost, we were so busy organizing races of our own, di ba? So, hindi na kami nakasali, hindi na namin siya na-training in an actual triathlon. Pero I'm pretty sure, nakita namin mga settings niya. Meron siyang swim, bike, run. So, any other thing that all other watches can do, I think this can do better. Lalo na nga sinasabi namin if you're using a Samsung phone. Sobrang seamless kasi ng lahat. Tapos ang pinaka nagustuhan namin sa kanya, meron siyang bioactive sensor. Yung bioactive sensor na yun, if you research about it, sobrang accurate niya. Tiratrack niya yung heart rate mo, stress levels. Ay yung nagustuhan namin, pati yung blood pressure. Although yung sa blood pressure, kailangan mo pang bumili ng machine para masync mo siya and mas maging accurate yung reading niya. Even with the default, syempre hindi naman siya pwede gamitin as a real medical device. Pero knowing and matatrack mo siya, it's good enough. Tapos meron din siyang personalized heart rate zones. So yun yung nagustuhan namin habang nag-workout kami. We already know and we can find out and see kung nag-exert ba kami ng effort, kung nag-under-exert ba kami, kung nasa normal heart rate zone ba kami. And naalala ko one time, parang sama ng feeling ko nung nakaraang workout, tapos gamit ko to. Sabi ko, parang pagod na pagod ako, nahihilo ako sa workout. Siguro puyat kasi ako nun. And then, I saw ang taas ng heart rate ko. So, that helped me minimize it a bit, imbis na labanan mo pa. Okay, so when it comes naman sa water resistance niya, so, hindi naman secret na I play underwater hockey. So, what better way to find out than to use this in an actual game, di ba? So, ganun lang. Ito naman, sinuot lang namin ganito ulit. Sa actual games, although, unfortunately, hindi na kami nakapag-video ng game mismo. Siyempre, for obvious reasons, kasi gumagalaw-galaw na kaming gano'n. Pero we did use it and worked flawlessly. So, gusto kasi namin malaman kung mamaya masira ba to pag ginamit namin sa sobrang lalim na tubig. Yung pool pala namin na nilalaroan namin sa Ultra yun eh. So, I don't know if it's 7 to 8 feet. Pero wala naman siyang problema. Sagad kami sa tiles nun. Pinakamaganda sa lahat, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung metrics niya habang nasa ilalim ng tubig. Ang linaw. Parang HD. Parang may TV sa ilalim ng tubig. So, if you're using this to track whatever, your heart rate or something, approve. Okay, so I'm pretty sure gusto nyo malaman since we're a triathlon channel, di ba? We're a triathlon website. How is it sa triathlon? So, inantay talaga namin yung race namin, yung Triman Triathlon, para maghamit namin siya in a triathlon. Kasi nga, di ba, since we're so busy organizing races of our own, we never got the chance to use it in an actual race. But technically, since we're the organizer, ginamit pa rin namin siya sa race, pero behind the scenes as a race director. So, ang feedback namin, well, unang-una yung battery life niya, superb. Natapos yung buong event, barely broke 96%. Pagtingin namin, full bar pa rin. Ang lakas ng battery niya. Tapos syempre, if you're organizing, ang dami nangyayari, di ba? So yung notifications mo, hindi mo na kailangang kunin yung phone mo. Titingin ka lang dun, mag-show up na yung mga updates, kung ano nangyayari, kung may nakatapos na ba, kung dumating na ba yung last finisher. So lahat yun, kitang-kita ko dito sa Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. And syempre, actually nakakatawa dito, meron pa yung stress levels, di ba? So monitor mo kung sobra na ba yung stress mo sa race and everything, ano yung heart rate mo. Lahat ng yun, while the race was happening, tinitignan ko, and It worked flawlessly. That's one thing na I also like to highlight here is yung Samsung Galaxy Watch AI-powered insights niya. So, if you're using a Galaxy S24, you can actually sync both phones na para ka ng may coach. So, yung insights niya, yung mga ginagawa mo, parang may personal coach. So, props for that. Di naman siya masyadong nagamit, pero it's good to have that. Okay, syempre, ang tanong na lahat, sulit ba siya sa presyo niya? Well, with the price tag na 40,990 pesos, all I can say is, it is a bit, yes, it's a bit on the high side, but, we are triathletes and we all know naman as triathletes, if there's a gadget out there or a watch, in this case, that will help us train better, help us train safer, and make us race faster, that is arguable because hindi ka naman mapapabilis ng watch. Pero, if it will allow you to train more, baka maging resulta nun, mas magiging mabilis ka. Sulit siya lalo na if you're really into fitness and everything, give it a go. And to add to that, if you're not using this watch naman for training, for racing, magagamit mo siya for everyday use. So, yun mismo yung nagpapasulit sa kanya for us. Lalo na if you're using a Samsung phone, yung seamless integration niya, yung both devices, try it. Yun lang masasabi namin. If you have the budget for it, give it a go. And that concludes our review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, mga ka-SBR. To those looking for the ultimate workout companion, especially again, if you're already using a Samsung Galaxy phone, you might want to give this a try. And syempre, kung may mga tanong kayo, please leave a comment. Don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga latest and next na gear review namin. So that's it for our very first SBR gear review. We're out. Bye.